Hi everyone, welcome! We're going to meet some ocean animals. This is a shark. Now I see a starfish. This is a seahorse. Here's a dolphin. That's a turtle. Those are fish. Here's an octopus. And now we have a jellyfish. Wow, look at this beautiful ocean habitat. We have so many animals here. Oh, look, the shark's coming. He's swimming by. And now the turtle. Okay, why don't we meet some of these sea creatures? We have a little starfish, and here's another one. We have a big starfish and a small starfish. Starfish have 5 arms. One is blue and one is yellow. Let's see who else we have. Look at this. This is a turtle. It's a green sea turtle. Turtles can live up to 150 years. That's very long. They have a hard shell on top, and they can swim through the ocean. Oh, here comes the shark. Look at his teeth. They're so sharp. Sharks are a type of fish. They like to swim through the ocean. Bye, little shark. Let's see who's next. Ooh, this is an octopus. It's a purple little octopus. Octopus have 8 arms. That's so many. Look how cute. Time to go for a swim. Look at it swimming around the water. Well, look at this. What do we have here? These are crabs. And do you see one more crab? Yeah, there it is. Those crabs are red, and this one's purple. It's so big. And what's that on his face? It's a starfish. Look at its claws. They can pinch, so you have to watch out. Okay, let's put these guys back, and let's see what else we can find. Ooh, look at this. What could this be? It's a squid and a jellyfish. Wow, look at this. Ooh, we lost it. So both the squid and the jellyfish have long tentacles. Let's take a look at the jellyfish. Look at that. It spins. Super cute. That's how they get around the water. Okay, here comes a little fish. Oh, this is a clownfish. Have you ever seen Finding Nemo? This is the type of fish that Nemo is. It's got stripes and it's orange. Look at it swimming. Bye, fishy. Let's see what else we have. Okay, I see a big shell and a smaller shell and a yellow shell. These are shells, and little crabs live inside, or mussels. This is really amazing. There's all types of shells on the beach. Look at this one. It has little holes, and this one has ridges. Have you ever been on the beach and collected seashells? It's one of my favorite hobbies. Okay, now I see something yellow. Ooh, do you know what this is? It's a seahorse. It's a yellow seahorse. It's so beautiful. It's actually a type of fish. Okay, I see another fish swimming in. This is a purple fish. It's so beautiful. Look at it swimming. So fish have fins, so they can swim all around. That's its tail. Yeah, that's how they swim in the water. Let's see what other fish we could find. Ooh, I see some over here. These are the ones with spots. We have a few of them. Okay, so let's see what colors we have. We have, okay, a pink fish, an orange fish, and a blue fish. These are really cute. Look at that. Okay, I found one more fish. This fish is actually called a catfish. Look at its face. It's yellow and blue. It's a catfish. What a funny name. Look at it swim. It's also got fins. Nice to meet you, little fishy. Go back to your water. That was so cool. Look at this. Yeah. There's so much fun stuff here. Yeah. We're watering everything. Extra water. We have a shell. A yellow one. What's that?
Turtle.
Turtle. What color's a turtle?
Green.
Green turtle. Okay. What about this? What is this? This is a starfish. What color's a starfish?
Blue.
Blue? Yeah. What else? These are jellyfish and a squid. Look, we have also a purple fish.
Purple fish.
Swimming.
Swimming.
Yeah. And what's this?
A crab.
Crab, yeah. It's purple. It's a crab just crawling along. Here's a purple crab. Oh, ducky needs some wet, yeah. Yeah, we got a blue shark. Look at him. What else? What else you got? We got so many. What is this?
A bucket.
It's like a bucket, but it's like a shell, a big shell, seashell. Look at these. They're red and they can pinch you. You gotta watch out. What else? What's this? What's this one? Fish. What color is the fish?
Yellow, blue.
Yellow and blue. Look at what it could do. Wow. And we have the turtle here. Look at this. So much fun stuff. What else? This is kind of fun. We have this one. What is this?
Huh?
What's this one?
Star.
A star. It's a star fish. It's a yellow starfish. Whee! There's so many. We have all these fun things for the water. Wow. We can water everything. Look at this. How's the water? Is it cold?
Yeah.
Warm?
What?
Warm. Okay. Warm water. All right, what else do we have? We have this blue fish. Look at this blue fish. It's so cute, swimming along. We have two orange fish. two orange fish swimming along. One has stripes and one has spots. That's good. Yeah, there they are, swimming along. Watch out, here's our yellow ducky. Swimming, 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 swimming. The shark's gonna get her. Catch me. How about our green frog? Look at the green frog.
Green frog.
That's the green. Uh-oh, the shark's attacking the frog. Oh no. And the yellow ducky. What else do we have? Do we see the seahorse? This is a seahorse. What color? What color is the seahorse?
Yellow.
Yellow, that's right. Wow, look at all these sea creatures. Do you recognize some of them? Let's try to name them. I see an octopus, a green fish, a turtle, and a jellyfish. Did you get it right? Will you help me choose the correct letter that corresponds with each sea creature? Great, let's get started. Let's see this one. This is an octopus. Which letter does octopus start with? Oh, that's right. O. The letter O. O is for octopus. Now we have a fish. Fish. What letter does fish start with? That's right. F. The letter F. F is for fish. Do you remember what this creature is? It's a turtle. Turtle. What letter does it start with? Yeah, it's T. The letter T. T is for turtle. Oh wow, I remember this one. This is a starfish. Starfish. What letter is that? S. S is for starfish. How did you do with this one? Let's see the next one. What about this? I remember this creature. It's a whale. That's a big whale. Whale starts with the letter W. That's right. W for whale. I think we have one more. Oh, this purple jellyfish. That's a jellyfish. What letter does jellyfish start with? Yeah, it's J. J is for jellyfish. Great job!